Perched on a 4,500 square meter plot, a mere 15 minutes from the vibrant city of Marrakech, Villa LOHA stands as a testament to the harmonious interplay of architecture and nature. Designed by the visionary architects at E-H Atelier d'Architectures, this 600 square meter residential haven offers a serene retreat amidst the stunning backdrop of the Atlas Mountains. The unique topography and contextual challenges of the site were instrumental in shaping the architectural approach. To address privacy concerns with neighboring properties, the architects strategically positioned the house at the rear of the plot, maximizing the depth of the garden to the south. Inspired by ancient fortifications, the concept of a protective enclosure emerged as a natural solution. By erecting imposing stone walls, the house is enveloped in a secure and private sanctuary, shielding its inhabitants from the outside world. To further elevate the house and create a distinct architectural promenade, the architects raised the structure on a 60-centimeter plinth. This subtle elevation not only establishes the physical and visual separation from the garden, but also enhances the sensory experience of the space, inviting visitors to embark on a journey of discovery. In the TV lounge and dining room, the stone walls, previously a dominant feature, recede into the background, becoming a subtle backdrop to the glazing. This strategic placement creates a sense of security and intimacy, while also allowing the stone to reveal its natural beauty and texture as sunlight dances across its surface. The interior design of Villa LOHA is a celebration of simplicity and natural materials. The use of raw stone, burnt wood, and earthy tones creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that complements the rugged beauty of the surrounding landscape. The furniture, carefully selected and thoughtfully placed, adds a touch of contemporary elegance to the space. At the heart of the project lies the 80 square meter reception room, a magnificent space that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. Accessed through a serene patio, the room is bathed in natural light that pours through expansive 7-meter bay windows. These vast apertures frame the breathtaking landscape, transforming it into a dynamic artwork that shifts with the changing light and seasons. The reception room is part of a tripartite sequence, comprising the TV lounge to the west and the dining room to the east. These three spaces, separated by striking burnt wooden partition doors, form the longitudinal axis of the house, offering a sense of spatial rhythm and continuity. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Villa LOHA is a testament to sustainable design principles. The architects have carefully considered the environmental impact of the project, incorporating energy-efficient systems and materials that minimize the building's carbon footprint. The use of natural ventilation and passive solar design strategies further enhances the house's sustainability. In conclusion, Villa LOHA is more than just a house. It is a sanctuary, a work of art, and a testament to the power of architecture to transform the human experience. By seamlessly integrating the built environment with the natural world, the architects have created a timeless and inspiring residence that will continue to captivate and delight for generations to come. And there you have it, a glimpse into the stunning Villa LOHA. A testament to the power of design to elevate everyday living, this architectural masterpiece seamlessly blends form and function. If you're inspired, subscribe to our channel for future updates. A big thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Your support helps us continue to create high-quality content. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep designing, and keep building.